Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install LinkedIn DM templates with TextExpander, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start, open your TextExpander app on your computer. If you haven't downloaded TextExpander yet, visit the official website and download the application. Once installed, launch the application and create a new account or sign in if you already have one. Next, go to your LinkedIn DM templates document. Select the templates you want to use for your LinkedIn messages. Copy each template to your clipboard. Return to the TextExpander app and create a new snippet. In the snippet field, paste the copied template. Assign a short abbreviation for easy access later. Repeat this process for all the LinkedIn DM templates you want to install. Once you have added all your snippets, organize them into a dedicated group for LinkedIn. To do this, create a new group within TextExpander and label it LinkedIn DM Templates. Now, drag and drop your snippets into this new group. This will help keep your templates organized and easily accessible. To use your templates, open LinkedIn and start a new direct message. Type the abbreviation you assign to your desired template. Press the spacebar, and TextExpander will automatically replace the abbreviation with the full template. Make any necessary adjustments to personalize your message. Finally, send your message with just a few clicks. That's it. You're now ready to streamline your LinkedIn messaging with TextExpander. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.